Yo, what's up, you guys? So I actually bought something on Amazon and I wanted to show you to you guys. It's actually really interesting because I've never actually used one of these, but it will give you an idea why this mic is so close to me. Let's check it out. Here's a little ASMR Amazon packaging. Let's rip this bad boy open. Okay, here it is. So I bought this little, what is it? Aokeo? I guess that's how you say that. The reason why I got this is because I wanted to add a little bit of style and a little bit of just good audio. So this is like, usually when you buy mics, they already come with these on them. If you have one that's like this one, this is just a plain shotgun mic from Rode. This is the RØDE VideoMic Pro. It's not the Pro Plus. The Pro Plus is the bigger, fatter one. It looks like a big cone at the end and it gets a little bit shorter. So I got this one maybe a year ago, maybe a year and a half, maybe even 2 years ago. But I like the audio on it. It sounds really good, but I've always wanted to try one of these. So I've just wanted to see, of course there's all sorts of stuff in it, how good it is for reducing noise and like having those just syllables that you don't like. Oh, little ASMR again. And it says professional pop filter reimagined, double layer gauze, because I can read, filters, new reduce new, wow, I can't read at all. Reduce noise, wind protection, acoustic transparency, flexible tube neck, stability and rotation. So it looks pretty simple, nothing big there. But when we get it open, let me crank this out just a smidge. So now you can actually see a little bit better. So this is as simple as it is. So you get just the neck, which is really nice because it's nice and bendy. And then on the end you get, it looks like a screw with a mount. And I would assume you just screw that on. So I'm gonna try this out. So I have, like I said, my RØDE VideoMic Pro, and it comes with this guy. But I've heard a lot of people, when you get into those like audio, like just audio people that love audio, they talk about these making your mic sound a little bit like deep, or you lose some treble or something like that. I'm not a huge audiophile, but I do like good sound, obviously. So I've always wanted to try one of these, and I don't know if it'll make any difference with this mic, but we're gonna try it out. So first of all, I'm gonna dim the audio a little bit because I'm gonna take this off, and we're gonna see the difference. So I'm gonna do the Peter Piper thing 3 ways. So the first one we're gonna do is with this on, then with it off, and then with this guy, and we're gonna see if we can tell a difference. So test 1, this is Peter Piper pecked a peck of pickled peppers. Yeah, Peter Piper pecked a peck of pickled peppers. So let's see how that sounds. I think it's gonna be probably pretty awful, and I think it's about to get worse. All right, I'm gonna mute the audio. All right, so now we have this guy off. Hopefully that's not killing your ears. I don't think I've actually ever taken this off. It's actually kind of interesting. It just has a little divot in there for the shotgun. So we're gonna throw this down here. We're gonna do it one more time. What did I say? Peter Piper pecked a peck of pickled peppers. And just in case you didn't hear me the first time, Peter Piper pecked that peck of pickled peppers. Did you know that? Did you know he picked that peck of pickled peppers? So that probably sounds awful. All right, so I'm gonna try not to move the mic too much. Now you probably can't see me at all, so because I don't want to cheat and have it basically not in the same place, and somebody say, oh, it wasn't in the same place, it doesn't count. Like, I get it. So all right, let's try this out. Peter Piper pecked a peck of pickled peppers. I don't know why I did that with the peppers. One more time. This makes me feel like a rapper, kind of, because I feel like I'm getting into it, like I can get into the mic, like just right at it, you know? So Peter Piper pecked a peck of pickled peppers. I wonder if this sounds any different. And my question really depends on like the fact that now you're getting audio from all around, whereas this other guy, this guy would cover the sound in 360 degrees versus this guy where it would only cover it just off the front. So you might be getting a little bit more reverberation from the room or whatever. So it's just interesting to see. This might be something worth it. This is like just a intro, first review, first impression review of said instrument. The only thing I don't like is the fact that it's pretty big, and I could see that people that have to use these realistically, if you were trying to read something, it'd be really hard to see it. Or like for this is too big for you to see. But if I took it off of camera maybe, and I did something like that, I mean, it's not completely off, but I could just, now it's off camera. So I could probably, this one I don't feel like I'm leaning into it as much, so I don't feel like a rapper anymore, but it might be a little bit better for you to actually see what I'm saying. You can see my mouth move, and the mic is just right here, so it's not like way down or whatever. Obviously the ring light's in the shadow or in the video now too, but yeah, I will have to check it out. So obviously by seeing the video, you're going to see before me. So you got to tell me in the comments, let me know what you think. Do you like this? Do you not like this? Other than the fact that it's huge, and I might have to, it might be a way or a reason for me to not put the mic in the video anymore, but yeah, might be worth it. It was only like $10. That's not too bad. $10 for this guy? It's not that bad. Even if I don't like it, even if it doesn't work for this, I'll keep it purely because I might use it somewhere else, you know? Maybe I'll have one of those studio mics somewhere. I'll be like, have like a podcast, so I'll need something. But yeah, so tell me in the comments, what do you think? Do you like this? Do you like Rhode's just original little foam guy? Or do you like no mic? No, just bare mic, bareback mic? Or is this the way to go? Is this the way to go? You let me know. And also, if you want to, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to like this video, I super appreciate it. All of your things help me out. This is a new channel. And I guess I'm going to say peace out. And I will see you in the next one, hopefully. And I've figured this out a little bit better. But yeah, I like it so far. All right, peace.